Fuck off.
Good morning. Is it there? Have it heard? There's a cannot spell. Plain flour. Milk. Sugar. Yes. Vanilla essence. Cream fresh. Strawberries. Also, I have a strainer and a whisk, a ladle, and a bowl.
Okay. Grab your bowl. Grab your eggies. So you want to crack them on a flat surface because your egg won't shatter into a million pieces. So you don't get any of that eggshell in your mix. Next up, get your sugar. Chuck it in there like that. Grab your whisk. Give it a nice mix. Add in your milk.
Vanilla essence?
2 cups.
Hell yeah.
And then you want to add in your flour. Whisk until it's smooth.
Bye.
We're going to strain our mix. So we get all that, if there's any lumps left in there, we're going to get them all out. And there's our mix.
Beautiful. Pan on!
Alright, canola spray. And then pretty much, so you'll notice when the pan's getting hot enough, this will sort of, all the white foaminess will start to dissipate. And if there's any bubbles, they'll dissipate as well. Alright, so as you can see, the white foaminess is gone and the oil's translucent. So I'll add a spoonful. And you just want to give the pan a whirl around and coat the pan evenly. I don't have a drinking problem, alright? It's fine. So pretty much, you can use a skewer or a knife or whatever you got. And just keep checking the bottom, see if it's browning or if it's not. Pretty much once it gets a bit brown on the bottom, that's when we're going to flip her over.
Oh, look at that. Delicious.
Just give her a nice flip. And the other side will probably take about half the time.
And then we're going to flip it out on the plate. And we got our first crepe. It's going to be delicious.
Alright, beautiful. So our other side's done. And boom. We have our crepey McCrepe. So every time you go to ladle a bit of mix, just give it a nice mix all over again. Always re-oil your pan. So pretty much just rinse and repeat the same process until you've done your whole mix, or you can actually keep it in the fridge for tomorrow if you want it for breakfast again tomorrow. Alright, strawberries, cut them however you want. I slice them.
Like that? Yeah.